Hello everyone, I'm here with a Do Laundry With Me collab video with my girl Kirsten Finch. Y'all, she's an amazing motherhood lifestyle YouTuber. You gotta go check her out. I'm gonna insert a clip right here.
I'm Kirsten. I'm a wife, a mother to 3 beautiful little boys, and I love to motivate and encourage any way that I can. My channel consists of cleaning motivation, DIY tips, motherhood, lifestyle, and more. If this is the content that you're interested in, please make sure to check out my channel. After checking out my video, of course, make sure that you like the videos, leave me some nice comments, and then if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Thank you, Ashley 24/7, for considering doing this collab video with me. You're so sweet, and I love tuning into your videos when you upload. If anyone chooses to check out my channel after watching this video, please make sure to leave me a comment saying that Ashley 24/7 sent you. I hope you guys enjoy this laundry motivation video.
Now, if you enjoy her vibe like I do, make sure you guys go subscribe to my girl Kirsten Finch channel. Alright guys, so you see all this mess down here, okay? This is a combination of, oh my goodness, I'm so tired, I'm going to do this tomorrow, and a 3-year-old that picks up everything, gets into everything, and a dog that tears up everything. So this is all combined in one. What I'm going to do is get this area cleaned up just so I can get some laundry done in cleanliness, and so I can breathe while I'm cleaning up. Okay guys, so what I am using on the floor is actually Ajax degreaser, like a disinfectant. I had got it from the Dollar Tree, and I actually think it's pretty good. I don't like the sweet smell. I do like citrus smell, but I don't like the sweet smell. But it does do a good job as to like getting things up off of the floor. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Alright, so does anybody else save their bags for trash bags? I live in the state of Florida, so when you live in Florida, you have to trace your trash out at the end of every day, because it's like, if you don't, the roaches will come, okay? And trust me, you don't have to have roaches for them to come visit you. Your neighbors can have roaches for them to come visit you. So every day, we make sure that we take our trash out by the end of the night. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with using grocery store bags. Okay, so we got our area all cleaned up. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna get to the top. I'm gonna start sorting at the top, y'all. Okay, so this is definitely some short girl problems, but you know, short girls, we definitely figure it out. You see me on top of the dryer, because it ain't a thing for me. Okay, I've been doing this. I've been doing this for like 27 years, so you know, it is what it is. Okay, so our area is spick and span. Let's move on to the laundry. So now I'm gonna sort through our laundry. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I used to separate our clothes from the towels and just wash it that way, but now I'm starting to separate Amir's clothes from our clothes, and I'm just trying to be more structured. I'm trying to show God that I appreciate what I have, so he can, you know, bless me with more. So I'm trying to do things with more of an order, because that's the way I grew up. I grew up with, you know, laundry separated, whites, colors. Like, my mom did not play about the laundry, like, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now we got our laundry separated. Ooh, just looking at it just makes me feel like I could breathe so much better. Like when I put my clothes on, they're gonna be so much cleaner.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Yeah, we're so young.
Alright, so when it comes to the dollar store washing powder, because yes, I got this laundry soap from the dollar store. I do use a couple cups more than it suggests, because you know that's a little watered down formula. It still works, but I'm pretty sure it's watered down for $1. So I do put like 2 cups more than it suggests, but it does get the job done. I just feel like it's so satisfying watching that water just go into the bubbles like that. Like, isn't that just the most satisfying thing, y'all? Like, I could just stand there and watch it.
Just know that you won't never have to wonder.
Okay, so now it's time to put the towels and the rugs inside of the washer. Get all clean.
I'm way too full. If you ever get to unroll and know that I'm on one tour, can't keep control. Chase for me, I need to know. I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take the rugs and I'm gonna just hang them over our door. And as you can see, I do have a bowl in my hand. Yes, I made gumbo last night and it was amazing, y'all. I'm gonna be posting a cook with me either tomorrow or Monday. Go check that out, you guys, once I posted. So now I'm folding the clothes. I'm putting Amira's clothes on the side. I'm putting DJ's clothes on the other side. I wanted to give you guys some encouragement. I've been reading this book called Goodbye Yesterday, and there's a part in the book that just makes my heart smile. So we all have circumstances, you guys. We literally all have circumstances, and we all have emotions attached to some of our circumstances, whether happy, good, sad, or mad. And so there's this book called Goodbye Yesterday by Sydney Trim. I've been reading it, and this is actually my second time, and it hit me a little different. I'm just going to share this small part with you guys. Alright, so it says, we are often blinded by our circumstances and the emotions attached to them. Because light was the first thing God created, it should be the first thing you seek or speak when you find yourself brooding over the dark vapors of life. So basically it's saying when you have these circumstances and you're feeling sad, or you know, I compare sad, mad, I compare it with darkness, I compare happiness and things with light. So whenever you feel yourself sad or mad and you're in the darkness, speak light into your situation, speak God's word into your situation, because God's word is alive, y'all. And I just wanted to give you guys that encouragement, because we're all in trying times in the middle of this pandemic, and just keep going, keep praying, and know that God is going to provide. Do your best and God will do the rest. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed my vibe. This was my first laundry video. Make sure you go check out Kirsten French. She is an amazing mother with interesting content that I really do love. And I thank you for watching, you guys. You have a blessed day. Yeah, peace.